Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Amit Patel and you are watching the show Musings with Software Engineers. What should my software development learning path to start a FinTech startup including tools and technology? If you want to become an entrepreneur, okay, then you will have to stop being an programmer and become an entrepreneur. Okay, because if you think that a programmer as a programmer you will become an entrepreneur, it's a totally wrong thinking. Learn business, learn how to manage a business, learn how to build a business, learn how to come up with ideas, learn how to manage people, learn how to build systems, processes. These are the thing for entrepreneurship. Okay, if you are a programmer and to start a small business you start with programming like I did way back in 97. We started a software development company. We learned programming along with that company. It was based on the project, so we got our first project, then we decided what programming language we should learn. Okay, so we did that. I'm not saying that you should do that, but later on within 2 3 years we started hiring people and we started making people do those things. Okay, you have already said you want to do fintech. You have already said I want a certain technology. You have to first work upon your idea. Your idea will automatically expand into, okay, what technology you can use for building this product. So first think about the idea which you want to work on. So you are just saying fintech. Okay, fintech is not an idea. Fintech is an industry. Okay, but what kind of an application, what kind of problems you want to solve? You have to start from there. You have to start from the idea. Okay, entrepreneurship does not happen because you decided that, okay, I'm going to start a fintech and I'm going to learn a programming language, I'm going to build a very cool fintech product. It is not going to happen that way. You have to come up first with trying to solve problems. So you start programming, you start learning programming. During learning programming, you think about problems that you can solve and see that can you build something related to those problems, and use your programming knowledge to start building those things, see if those that is working, and then you think about your startup, think, oh, there is something I'm up to. Okay, it's a very tedious project. You can always start a job. Along with that, you can start thinking about your ideas. In a job you will learn all these different technologies. In the job you will also learn how the company works. Okay, my first job as a customer support engineer helped me a lot because I was interacting with customers. I was seeing how this company was managing the product. I was seeing how the product was packaged, how it was delivered, how did we build the invoices, quotations, everything. So I learned a lot. 18 months I learned in this particular company everything, and I was very curious to learn everything about the business. I did not stick to customer support. I was not like, oh, today I'm not going to work because this is not my work. Never. My manager said, Amit, this is what you have to do and I will do it. And I used to tell my manager, if anybody is saying no to you for anything, tell me. I used to do marketing also as a customer support. My marketing team used to take me out just to do marketing, and I used to do it. Okay, so learn things while doing a job and work on an idea. As your idea starts deepening, you will get an idea that, oh, this is something that I can work on. By that time you'll have programming knowledge, you'll have knowledge of managing a business, how business works, how product packaging works, all these things. So it will become easier. Remember that 50% of entrepreneurs are successful who start between the ages of 40 and 45, who have worked for few years in the industry, who have done a job, and based on the job now they know exactly what kind of a business they want, and then they come out. Okay, by that time they have enough savings that they can last for 2 3 years, and they come out and then they start their business. Okay, that works really well because they have got used to how to manage clients. Like, your job becomes your training field for becoming an entrepreneur, if you understand that. Thank you very much. Live starts every Thursday, 9:05 p.m. Make sure you check out my program, A Players. You can enroll into A Players, it will help. For experienced people, this is a must if you want to grow within your company. Next time, certainly, I will take up your questions. Thank you very much.